Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to start developing a web page. As we saw in the last video, web designing consists of three parts: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So today we'll be starting with HTML. So to start, first we have to open code.org. It is a free website where you can start web designing. So to start, you have to sign into your account if you already have one, and if you don't have one, you can always sign up. Once you sign into your account, we should go to the My Project section. In that, we should view the full list. After that, we can select the Web Lab option. So first, I'm going to rename my project as Harry Potter. So, in this page, this is the place where you can add all the files. Here we write the code and here our web page is displayed. So I'm going to delete this part and I'll explain it one by one. So as you can see, the doctype.html tells the browser that this is a HTML file. And index.html is always the main or the first page of your website. Now as you can see, this is the HTML tag. Every web page starts and ends with a HTML tag. So what are tags? Tags, they help the browser to distinguish between the HTML and the simple content. So in a tag, there will be three parts: the opening tag, the content in between, and the ending tag. But some special tags, they do not have the ending tag. So now in this, I'm going to first add the body tag. And always in the ending tag, we first add a slash and then we can continue. So inside the body tag, we are going to first add one heading to our web page. I'll just save this. So to add headings to the web page, we will use the heading tag. So there are 6 types of heading tags. It starts from H1 to H6. Here H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. So I'm going to add H1 and write down heading 1 and close it. So now I'm just going to do this for all the 6 tags so we can compare all of them. H2, H3, H4. So I'm going to do the same for H5 and H6. And the last, I'm going to use H6. So as you can see here, in all these headings, there's a difference in size. So for example, we can use H1 and H2 as like the main headings for a website. And the H3 to H6, we can use it like the subheading or the subtitle. So I'm going to delete all these headings and just leave the H1. And I'll put my heading as Harry Potter. So now, if I have to share this project to someone, I have to go to the share option and then click on open the link. Once I open the link, as you can see in the browser toolbar over here, the link of the project is seen. While over here, a proper name is seen. So to do that, we'll have to add the title to the web page. So outside the body tag, we're going to add the head tag. So the head tag is used for metadata, like the data which is not visible on the web page. While in the body tag, it only contains the data which is visible or reflects on a web page. So in the head tag, I'm going to add the title tag, which is used for adding a title to a web page. So inside the title tag, I'm going to set my title as Harry Potter. I'm just going to close it and open it again. So instead of that link, you can see the Harry Potter here. So now we are going to add some paragraph or some text to our web page. So to add that, I'm going to go to this Wikipedia and copy 2 paragraphs from here. As you can see, even though I've copied 2 paragraphs, it puts all the paragraphs without any space in between. So to add space in between different paragraphs, we should use the paragraph tag. So I'm going to add the paragraph tag. So now I'll just copy this one paragraph and I'll paste it. And here is the second paragraph. So even if I put this text outside the paragraph tag, it gives a space between the 2 paragraphs. So now I'll just delete the second one and I'll leave this first paragraph. Now we've done our web page, but it looks very plain. So we're going to add an image. So to add an image, we will use the image tag. src. So now src here, it refers to the source or the address of the image. So now first there are 2 ways of adding an image. One of them is to search for an image on your browser. So I've searched and opened an image already here. And I'm going to copy image address. And inside the double quotations, I'm going to paste it. And close the tag. So as you can see, the image is visible. There's also another way of adding it, where I can upload an image which is already available on my desktop. So I'm just going to delete this link, and over here I have to go to the add image option. Once I click on that, I have to upload the file. So in the upload file option, I can just go to the location where my image is available and open it. So once the image is uploaded, you will be able to see it on the side, and also you can view the image. So over here in the src section, this is the name the image is uploaded with. So it's uploaded with harry-potter.jpg. So I'm just going to type the same name. So as you can see, as I'm typing it, gives me the suggestions. So I can just select it. Now I'm going to add another attribute, which is called as the alt attribute. So in the alt attribute, it refers to the alternate text. Like if there's any problem with the image and it can't be displayed, the alternate text will be displayed instead of the image. So I'll just name it as Harry Potter. And also the image is visible, but it is too big and it is not seen clearly. So for that, I'm going to use the height and width attribute. So I'm going to height equals to 200 pixels. And I'm going to set my width 300 pixels. I will set it to 350. Yeah. So you can see the image has become smaller. So I want the image before my paragraph. So I'm just going to copy and paste it before the paragraph. So now I want to add a list of all the Harry Potter books. So now to add that, I have to use the list tag. So in the list tag, we have 2 types. It is the ordered and the unordered list. So in the ordered list, it gives us numbers, while in the unordered list, it gives us bullet points. So let's try it out. First, I'm going to use the ordered list, which is OL. So inside this, I'm going to put to here, and I'm just going to copy of the names of all the books, and I'll paste it. So over here, I have to add the list tag in each and every line. So I'll just copy and paste it for all the lines. And as this is the ending tag, I'll just add a slash. So as you can see, the list of books is present here. As in the ordered list, it gives us the numbers. Now let's try unordered list, which is UL. So as you can see, in the unordered list, it gives us bullet points instead of the numbers. So now I'm just going to type in H4 over here. List of Harry Potter books. So as you can see, this is in H4. So the text is a little bit smaller. So now as you can see, the paragraph is there. But what if we want to add like a break space in between some lines? So to that we use the break tag. So over here I'm going to add the break tag. So as you can see, it leaves one line. So if I wanted to leave another line, I will add another break tag. So it leaves two lines in between and continues with the other part of the sentence. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Bye. See you soon.